రారా టీచర్ వచ్చింది.
ఏ టీచర్?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
ఏ టీచర్?
Good morning.
నువ్వే వచ్చావా సెంటర్?
అదే వచ్చింది, నేను కొట్టాను.
Good morning, Siddharth. How are you? Okay. Suryans, how are you, beta?
Surya! Da.
Suryans, are you there? Okay, Veda, how are you? Are you there? Okay, very good, very good. Ashita. Sorry, Ashrita. Can you hear me? Ashrita, can you hear me? Can you hear me, everyone?
Good morning.
Good morning. Can everyone hear me?
Good morning.
Can everyone hear me, beta?
No, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. My voice?
Yes, tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, please show me one thumbs up if you can hear me.
Me not is the
Pradiksha, Tanvisri, Brindaraj, Arohi, everyone can able to hear me? Please show me your hand. Show me your hand or show me thumbs up. Please muting you. Pradiksha, I'm unmuting you. Please, can you tell me? Can you tell me what we have learned yesterday? Whatever you remember, beta. Can you tell me? Yes, tell
Yeah.
me. Yes. Tell me, Pradiksha, please.
living thing.
Okay, yes, very good. Yesterday we have learned about living things, right? So, can you tell me car? Pradiksha, please listen to me, beta. Car, okay? Car is a living thing or not? Car is living thing or not? Okay, Pradiksha, are you able to hear me?
Not living thing.
Okay, that is not
Yes,
a living. Yes, that is a non-living thing. Very good, excellent, Pradiksha. Now I am asking to Janvi. Janvi, are you able to hear me? Janvi, are you able to hear me? Janvi, are you able to hear me, beta? Okay, maybe there are some internet issues. Ronel, are you able to hear me? Ronel, are you able to hear me? Ronel, I'm asking to you that I can understand you are able to hear me. So, Suryans, now am I audible to you, beta? Okay, so I am unmuting you. Okay, yes. Suryans, please, if you are there, answer me. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Suryans, for you, rabbit. I hope you know how rabbit looks like, right? Rabbit is a living thing or not? Can you tell me the answer, Suryans? Suryans. Okay, next. Kethana, be ready after.
Living thing.
Okay, very good. So, rabbit is a living thing.
Living thing.
Very good. Very good. Excellent, Suryans. Kethana, am I able? Can you hear me, Kethana? Please, beta, unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Yes, very good. Kethana, my question to you. You know boat.
Yeah.
Boat? Yes. Is that living thing beta or not?
Living thing.
Boat is a living thing? Is that? Boat need food?
No.
So living thing means what beta? Living thing means which things can breathe, right? We are breathing, we are living things. Which things need food, drink water, grow in size? They are called living things. So boat can grow in size? I believe no. Boat cannot, right? Grow in size. So can you tell me the correct answer? Boat is a living thing or not?
No.
Very good. Excellent. 1 star for you. Okay. For that reason, teddy is not a living thing. It's a non-living thing. Right? Okay. Very good. Now, Brindaraj, are you able to hear me? Brindaraj, are you able to hear me better? Okay. Okay. Now, Ansil, maybe you are not. Okay. Ansil Raj. Ansil Raj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, can you tell me you have pencil with you? Pencil?
No, ma'am.
You don't have pencil?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have book?
No, ma'am.
Brindaraj, I am asking to Ansil beta. I will come to you. Okay. Yes. Ansil, so can you tell me your pencil, books, all those are living things or non-living things?
Not living thing.
Can you tell me?
Not living thing.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Yes, books, pencil, chair, table, all those who need not to eat, who uh, who cannot breathe, who cannot move from one place to another place by their own. All of those things are called non-living things like chair, table, fan, your bag. Even if you have your rubber band, eraser, everything. Right? Is it clear, beta? Show me thumbs up if yes. Please show me thumbs up. Okay, very good. Excellent. So, today already we have learned about briefly about, okay, is that a living thing or non-living thing? You have to tell me. And as per that, you will get the points. I will give you today's points as per that. Okay. So, first, Ashrita. Ashrita, I'm unmuting you. Yes, Ashrita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know kangaroo? One animal is there. Do you know kangaroo?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So is that living thing, non-living thing, beta? Kangaroo is a living thing or non-living thing? Ashrita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So can you tell me
Not
kangaroo is
living
a
thing, ma'am.
very good. Why it is living thing? Why it is living thing? Okay, you gave right answer, correct answer. Very good. I am asking to Veda. Veda, are you there? Veda, are you there? Veda, are you there? Okay, Siddharth, are you there, beta? Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me why kangaroo is a living thing? Can you tell me?
Kangaroo.
Yes, it's an animal.
Okay.
Can you tell me
Living thing, ma'am.
why it is a living thing?
It can eat.
Very good. It can breathe also. It can move from one place to another place. Very good. Excellent. 1 point for you, Siddhant. You got a 1 star today. Very good. Next, Janvi. Janvi, you know helicopter? You know helicopter?
Yes.
So is that a living thing or non-living thing, beta?
Living thing.
Helicopter is a living thing?
Not living thing.
Yes, helicopter is a non-living thing because helicopter cannot breathe, cannot eat food, right? That's why, and helicopter cannot go inside. That's why it's a non-living thing. Next, Tanvisri. Tanvisri, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvisri, yes. To you, the example is table. Table. Table is a living thing or non-living thing, beta?
Not living thing, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Next one, Brindaraj. Brindaraj, I am unmuting you. Are you able to hear me? Brindaraj? Brindaraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. You know mobile phone? Mobile, you know?
Yes.
You saw mobile phone? Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Is it a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Mobile phone is a living thing? Your mobile phone can eat?
No.
Can breathe? So it is a living thing or non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Very good. Yes. That's like a good girl. Very good. Okay. Now, who is there? Arohi. Yes. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me that car? Already I have asked you car, right? Something else. Zebra. Zebra is an animal, right? So can you tell me, is that a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. 1 star for you. Next, Ansil. Ansil Raj. Ansil Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Laptop. Maybe you have laptop also in your home, right? So is that a living thing or non-living thing?
Not living thing.
Very good. Excellent. Arhan, for you, Ansil, 1 star. Arhan, are you able to hear me? Please unmute yourself. Arhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, for you, your bag, school bag, right? School bag. Is that a living thing or non-living thing?
Not living.
Is that a living or non-living?
Loudly.
Not living.
Your school bag is living thing? Just think and answer.
Tell loudly, beta.
Not living.
Not living thing, but
Not living things.
Okay, that is very good. That is non-living thing, right? Very good. Next, Suryans, are you there? Suryans, are you there? Okay. Joshit,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Can you tell me why school bag is not a living thing? Why school bag is not a living thing?
But it will not eat, it will not drink. That's why
Very
we
good.
all not
And
living.
it cannot breathe. It cannot move their own, right? It cannot reproduce. Very good. Excellent. 1 star for you also. Very good. Sri Sragvi. Sri Sragvi. Are you able to hear
please
me?
start. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For you, I am giving tiger, right? Tiger. Tiger is a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Living thing.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Can you tell me why tiger is a living thing?
Is
Why tiger is a
eating,
living thing?
breathing.
Is eating, breathing.
Okay, very good. Yes, because tiger can eat, breathe, move, grow in size. Excellent, beta. 1 star for you also. Next, Dhruti. Dhruti, are you there? Can you
Yes,
hear?
ma'am.
Okay. Dhruti, for you, my question is, you have headphone, right? Headphone. Headphone is a living thing or non-living thing?
Not living thing.
That is non. N-O-N. Non. Don't say not. It's non. Okay? Non-living thing, right? Right, Dhruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Excellent. Now, Hanvit. Hanvit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, in your classroom, there is a class board, na? In your classroom,
Yes.
board is there. Is that
Yes.
living thing or non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Why it is a non-living thing?
Do not grow. Do not move. Do not eat.
Excellent.
Not eat.
Very
Do not.
good. Very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. So today you will got 2 stars. I am giving you 2 stars for this, okay? Because you gave very nicely answer. Now Manha Alvira. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know frog? Frog. Do you know frog?
No.
You did not see frog? Can you
Yes.
see frog? Are you able to hear me, beta? Alvira.
Yes.
Okay, for you, I am giving another option. Okay,
Yes,
another.
ma'am.
Can you hear me? Okay. So you did not see
Yes.
frog. Frog is an animal. You did not see frog.
Yes.
Okay. Did you see butterfly? Did you see butterfly?
Yes.
So can you tell me butterfly is a living thing or non-living thing?
Living things.
Butterfly is a living thing. Why it is a living thing?
Can eat.
Okay, very good. And anything else, beta? Very good. Very good.
Can
Very good.
move.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. 1 star for you. Now, Ritvik, Sai Ritvik, are you able to hear me? Sai Ritvik, Sai
Yes.
Ritvik. Yes. So, my question to you, tree, you know, tree or trees. Trees are living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Why trees are living thing? Can you tell me?
It can breathe.
Very good. Excellent. It needs food also, right? Very good. For you also 2 stars because you gave very promptly answers. Now, Ronel. Ronel, are you able to hear me? Ronel,
Yes, ma'am.
able to hear me, beta?
Yes.
Fish. You know fish? The leaves under the water?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me, is it a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Why?
Because it can move, it can eat.
Okay, very good. For you also with the 2 stars. Now, Hayati, are you able to hear me? Hayati, are you able to hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know clouds? Clouds. In the sky, there are clouds, right? So, clouds are living,
Yes.
non-living thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me it is a living thing or non-living thing? Hayati? Hayati, am I
Not
audible to
living
you?
thing, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Clouds are non-living thing. Very good. Now, Veda, excellent for you also. 1 star, Hayati. Veda, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Veda, do you know sun? Sun?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, is it a living thing or non-living thing?
Not living thing.
Why sun is a non-living thing?
Because it cannot breathe.
Because it
Breathe.
cannot breathe. Okay. Sun can eat food.
No.
Exactly. Very good. For you also 2 stars.
Ma'am, it
Very good. Yes, Veda, tell me.
is a natural thing.
Yes, we will come to that also in our next class. Okay. That is natural things, man-made things, everything we will come slowly. Okay, thank you. Very good. Ayansh, are you there? Ayansh, if you are there, please unmute yourself. Ayansh, are you there? Can you
Yes,
hear me,
ma'am.
Ayansh? Okay, okay. Ayansh, do you know about crocodile? Crocodile.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me, is it a living thing or non-living thing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Crocodile is a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
It is a living thing, right? Ayansh, can you hear me? Ayansh, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why it is a living thing? If you will tell me the correct
Yes,
answer, I will give
ma'am.
you 2 stars. Okay? Yes, tell me. Why it is a living thing?
It was
Yes.
eating.
Okay. Crocodile can eat, right? Crocodile can move from one place to another place by their own. Ayansh, are you there, Ayansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Crocodile can move their own. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. Very good, very good. For you also 2 stars. So everyone, listen to me. Are you there? You are not audible to me. You are not visible to me.